In 1883, William J. Hynes, a prominent Chicago attorney and former Arkansas congressman, purchased 10 acres in Wheaton, Illinois. This country retreat offered a peaceful escape from the bustle of Chicago, as Wheaton itself was beginning to grow into a commuter suburb. Here he built a brick home on a rise overlooking a man-made lake, later known as Hynes Lake. Period maps and illustrated books captured the beauty of the property, showing canoeists gliding across the water and the Hynes residents presiding above the grounds. Before Hynes rose to prominence in Chicago as a respected trial lawyer, he served as a congressman from Arkansas. While in Chicago, he defended corporations, argued criminal cases, and became known for his sharp courtroom presence. In Wheaton, he was active in civic life, lending his voice to the public dedication of the Wheaton Library in 1891. When Hynes died in April 1915 in California, his Wheaton estate passed into probate under the management of Chicago Title and Trust. For nearly a decade, the land remained intact, taxes paid and property preserved until it was sold. In 1924, the properties were sold to Edward and Jeannie Dells. A carpenter by trade, Edward may have hoped to restore the old Hynes home to be the showcase of the future Dells Park subdivision. In 1930, the Dells family continued to work with the city of Wheaton for the construction of Dells Park subdivision, but the Great Depression strained the family. By the mid-1930s, the property fell into tax delinquency, and the Dells moved to Florida to live with their son, Anton. Ownership passed to a relative, Peter Erzar, but property taxes went unpaid for decades. By 1951, the land was up for tax sale, leaving the lake as a reminder of the Hynes estate's past and Dells Road as a reminder for the family that created a subdivision. In 1951, Judge Bertram Rathje helped arrange for part of the former Hynes estate to be donated to the Wheaton Park District. Over the next 2 decades, the Park District expanded the land, transforming it into a permanent public green space. Originally called Dells Park, it was later renamed Rathje Park in Judge Rathje's honor. Today, Rathje Park preserves part of William J. Hynes' 19th-century landscape. Though his original home is still a mystery to solve, the lake remains the last tangible piece of his country estate. A lawyer's dream of country peace has become a lasting gift to generations and is now a shared place of play, memory, and community life.